Hello cuties, let's learn some colors. Gray color, red color, black color, pink color, dark blue color, sky blue color, dark green color, light green color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, brown color, orange color. A for apple. Brown color. B for bat. Purple. C for carrot. Dark green color. D for dolphin. Black color. E for eagle. Sky blue color. F for finger. Yellow color. G for goat. Gray color. H for hen. Light green color. I for igloo. Red color. J for jacket. Pink color. K for King Kong. Dark blue color. L for lion. Orange color. M for mushroom. Brown color. N for necklace. Purple color. O for omelette. Sky blue color. P for pen. Dark green color. Q for queen. Black color. R for ring. Yellow color. S for snake. Dark blue color. T for tortoise. Orange color. U for umbrella. Purple color. V for van. Pink color. W for water. Gray color. X for xylophone. Dark green color. Y for yellow. Red color. Z for zucchini. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Super! See you in next video. Bye bye.